to go?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you want to start it? Thank you. Trying to watch the blue car. What,
Yeah.
on the mirror?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I can't see now.
What do you mean you can't see
There he
now?
is.
Oh, there he is.
Oh, he's gone. There he is.
So on the way down to Haynes Meet Museum. I haven't been down there in a while because it's been freezing. I wasn't going to go this weekend because it was supposed to be raining, but it's sunny, isn't it, at the moment? Nice and sunny?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're on our way down now. Going to check it out quick. Just for a little morning. Keep us both entertained. Get Harrison more into cars. This is the longest drive this 197's done since it's been fixed. So, nice little test at the same time.
There's a field up there.
There's, yeah, a big field and hills and sheep. I've got both cameras going just so I can focus more on driving, being a responsible dad than filming Josh's car. So hopefully that camera will get me at a different angle when Josh driving past, etc. But yeah, I might do a few on this GoPro, but I'm not going to be hanging out the window, let's say.
Why is Josh is driving his car?
Yeah, what colour's Josh's car?
Blue.
Is Josh's blue car better than Daddy's red car?
Yeah.
No, it's not.
Huh?
Well, it probably is. Costs more, quicker. I was going to ask you guys as well, if you wanted to see some videos on the R32, I might give it a little review, see if I can force Josh to let me drive it, give it a little review. Obviously we can film the exhaust as it is and stuff like that, because I think he might, see the birdie? He might do a few upgrades soon, so it might be a little bit of an addition to the channel. But yeah, if you want to see any R32 Golf, I think it's a Mark 5 content, let me know.
Cool.
Right, this is a funny little bit. This is a fun little bit, driving around here, like a little racetrack. Wiggly. We've got to go a little bit faster for the road.
That means you have to go up. Go up. Go up. Go up. Hello. Look at the red car.
There's a red car.
There's another car on the. Oh, there's the black one.
And there's a black one. Ready? Here goes Josh. Where's he going?
Go faster.
What do you mean go faster? I've only got 4 more mile an hour to play with.
Yeah.
I forgot what this car's like on long journeys. It's just like, that's what cars doing, isn't it? Noisy.
Go faster.
Hey. Damn it. Shut your window. So yeah, if you do want to see a video on the R32, I can do one. Obviously we can get some exhaust shots as well with the mounts and things, but I think it might be a cool little added video we can do just to pump up the channel a little bit. That spoiler lip's cool. From the Hellcats.
That's what Luke would have actually, that's his dream car.
Is it? Stan? Stan.
How about this one?
Get in with his bonnet vents.
That one.
That's cool. Can you get your head in there?
No.
Can you put your head in there?
No.
So it's a VTEC then.
Would you not have this one?
No.
What one do you want to drive? Which one?
No.
This one?
No.
That's what you said.
The red one.
Oh, my red one.
Look at that grey one.
Oh, compare the angry front ends. Harrison, look, it's like Daddy's car, but in blue. Look. See it leaving? Go on. Yes, Clios. Look at this. Do you want one of these? He has painted it with a paintbrush.
That's against the rules.
Go on, deranged.
Give it the
Look at them little indicators. That counts.
swanky panky. That's like the DeLorean.
Wait for this car to make lots of noise. Oh my god! Harrison, look, it's the Clio Massive.
Yes, it is. It's a frozen grey. Blimey. S, actually. This is the big boys.
The size of those
I
pipes.
know. That's intense. 2.5.
Oh, I don't know how I feel about them mirrors, mind you.
Oh god. They've been stuck in there.
The splitter on that. Oh my. Whoa. Clio Trophy is a number plate.
They should go right.
Got to be an 8 or a 9 for me, I reckon. Do it. What are you doing? It's a bit cold, isn't it? We will go back to my car in a minute. Do you like that one? Clio. My arms are falling off.
Yeah, no, if you well, give him a shout, he's not too bad now. He's all coherent and stuff, but
If it was going to be a BMW, it would pretty much be like that. What about this Fiesta? No.
21. Wonder what I'm looking at. Not sure how I feel about the newer Levis. Ooh, prime parking. Ooh, prime parking, you haven't even cleaned it. You like it? Yeah. Harrison, do you like that one or not?
No.
No. No. What one do you like, the red or the black one? Oh. M3 is still going! I like a oh no. The Rosses.
All those benefits he's been getting.
Yeah. I thought he was just parking there just so. Smooth criminal. Team dynamic, aren't we? No, you're alright. Get myself out of the way. Not sure how I feel about the old SDIs. Right, that's it I think. Not too many here today, but oh my god. Oh my. Get in with his wing door. That's it, just walk off like you don't care. I love it. Tucked. Not quite sure about the orange on the red, but ooh, friends. No, just a little. Three, two, one. R32 boys. What do you want me to do? Catch the other blue one up? Well, I can't go too fast. There's a speed limit, my son. He just wants me to go, just fly. 100 mile an hour, let's do it. So did you enjoy the car show today?
Yeah.
Yeah? Good boy, you're getting a bit tired now, aren't you? Yeah. Got a bit whingy, so he's got his dummy. Dad, parent skills 101. This camera's about to die now as well, so I'm going to say goodbye here, but